You talk and you sleep, but I don't mind it, I feel the heat. Need you wrapped all around me, cause I just can't get enough of you. With every word we're saying, oh, and every step we're taking, I wanna let you know till the end of the night. I'll be waiting, it don't matter what you do. Till the end of the night, we can't run away, cause I'll be loving you. Till the end of the night, we can run till the end of the night. Till the end of the night, we can run till the end of the night. Till the end of the I can't get enough of you, but I can take this no more. I can't get enough of you, but I can take this no more. I wanna let you know till the end of the night, I'll be waiting. It don't matter what you do. Till the end of the night, we can run away, 'cause till the end of the night, we can run till the end of the night. Till the end of the night, we can run till the end of the night. Till the end of the night, we can run till the end of the night. Till the end of the night, we can run till the end of the night.
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked and loaded. You guys ready for this one? It's Friday, baby. It's the end of the week. And I'm just going to say, you guys don't want to go anywhere. We have got some things planned here today. We've got some surprises, some little tricks up our sleeves. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that one. But again, my co-pilot here with me today, guys, Mr. Jaron Farrow. How you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Great to be back. How are you doing?
Hey, always good, brother. The man's guys. You've had some killer trades this New York this week. If it wasn't from me, it was from Jev. But you guys have been fed this week, so we're gonna make sure we can carry on that rhythm. Let's see what we can get to today. But other than that, I hope you guys have made the most out of this week so far, guys. It's been a tough week. I won't lie to you. It has been tough conditions. But we still managed to find our way out of it. We can navigate this shit for you guys. So let's see what happens. But other than that, guys, I think let's start off. Let's go jump right into the fundamentals and let's see what is waiting for us. So when we look at the fundamentals, guys, also before we carry on, just give us a quick heads up there in the chat. How is the audio sounding? Is everything good? Is there anything we must put it up a little bit, music down? Just give us a little bit of feedback there.
How are we still breathing? It's never for us to choose. I'll be the strength in you. No holding on. My self was never enough for me. Gotta be so strong. There's a power in what you do. Now every other day
All right. Let's see, Chad. All good. Hundreds. Mike soft. Mike is a bit soft. There we go, Chad. It's quite loud on my side, so just let me know what you guys say there now. But we have brought it up a little bit. So just let me know if that is good. Sound is 100. Audio is solid for me. Sound is solid. Okay, well, I don't know if the other guys, Vince and them, like to troll there a little bit, so I don't know if they are. Much better. Thanks, Geeks. Okay, awesome. But yeah, guys, let's talk about the fundamentals. So obviously GDP for the pound coming out this morning, and then obviously coming into this session we had CAD news at 2:30. playing a little bit out there. And then the big one is basically the consumer sentiment. The comics coming out now at 4, so that's what you guys want to take note of. Trust me, this is a big one, guys. If this is a miss or things like that, you are going to see indices take off. Indices either can have a very, very big retrace, or they can skyrocket today, depending on what happens with comics. So we just want to make sure what happens there and make sure we're on the right side of it. So definitely going to be a little bit patient on that. As I say, we do not want to be getting caught on the wrong side of that one. So we're just going to see what happens there. But over to the charts. So again, guys, DXY, we are still very, very much bearish on the day. We spoke about this, the big move yesterday, having our pullback yesterday, the big miss and turning bearish. We are now back at this little support zone. This is again the make or break for the dollar. But we do say this is literally the point we want to see dollar break, take out these lows and just flush to the downside. And again, that comics can definitely be the stone that does that today. So we're going to see if things start to fall apart for the dollar. But again, technically we are on that side right now. We literally hadn't tested Asia highs. This was our retest. If you'll see from this morning, everything pulling back, dollar having a bit of a push. That now gives us a test of the Asia highs. If anything, we might even trade that a little bit more up to that pivot, daily pivot. And if that news comes out dollar bearish, you'll see that tank off after that. But we are bearish dollar. Over to the indices, we are more on the bullish side. I mean, you can't be bearish at this right now. It has just been one momentum the whole week for us. We are now at this next rejection zone, so we want to see what happens here, guys. I said to the guys this morning, personally, I wanted price to hit and basically reject a bit, but even now, breaking above, which also we wanted, the close, retest, and holding that zone. So for me, definitely, US30, the buys looking very, very good off this zone. When you consider the range we're in, we still are very relatively close, only 0.17% up. So again, that R1 literally all the way up there, just the R1, not the R2. That is still the first rejection area, so a lot can happen getting the push up to there. Over to NASDAQ, guys, we are also bullish. NASDAQ for me though, having a bit more of the structure, if you want to say technical, US30 very expanded, very explosive. NASDAQ, as you can see, holding around, already was at a major resistance zone, breaking above that, pulling back. Even though no retest of that breakaway zone, they held support on the weekly resistance. So that's something we do want to take note of, seeing that over there. And again, now moving forward, bullish after that. So US30 and NASDAQ almost already having their pullbacks, and now we want to see them hold and again target those highs of the day for the continuation. So we're just going to see what happens over there. But lastly, guys, from my side, we have got gold. So let's have a look here. So gold, again, we are bullish. The thing for me, guys, gold has been absolutely killing it today, but unfortunately it's just been running non-stop. There's no way, there's no time, there's no place I would have got an entry on this. So as much as it's nice to see it run, there's no way I would have entered this. Like, that is just the truth of trading. You also got to be real with yourself. It's nice to sit back and look at this, but on my rules, on technical analysis, there's nowhere on this I would have entered this trade. So it kind of eliminates the FOMO when my plan wouldn't have executed anywhere. Yeah, no matter if I was awake at 5:30, at 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, I never would have taken the trade anyway. So that sometimes is a very, very good thing to see for ourselves. But again, trading back down, I said to the guys this morning, if anything, testing the R1, which we basically are doing now. Otherwise, personally, I would love the retest Asia highs, and then we can step our way back to the top. So we're just going to see what happens over there. But pretty much bullish on everything across the charts today, other than DXY obviously being bearish. So Jeff, what are you looking at?
Okay, starting off on DXY, let's look at the 4 hour. We have this demand zone down here. I think this is the zone I refer to. No, that's not the one, the weekly open over here. Now we did have another demand zone. You'll see on the 50-minute chart when price broke structure, we have that zone. Price came into that level and it's basically still holding it. So we are still in that bearish move, and if price breaks below this level, we can continue looking for sells on or be bearish on the dollar. But if price breaks above this pivot and holds it, that will be my change of character, and I will potentially see this as my demand zone at this level, potentially to go long. So with the strong move coming out, it makes me question where DXY wants to go. But the only thing that bothers me is the fact that we have untested Asian lows, so that could be on the table for us today. Moving on to USD Swiss franc, we can see price has done. So if you look at how price looks on USD Swiss franc and compare it to DXY, you can see DXY looks like it's the one that kind of moved before DXY. So we'll see what happens. So price didn't break above that high over there, so there's no valid let me not say no valid change of character. So price looks like it's going bullish, but then with DXY looking like it's going to go bearish, puts me in a position where it makes me scared to actually look for sell setups on USD Swiss franc. However, we do have this gap up here which I think will be filled, and we also have the supply zone over here as well as this zone where we could get some reactions for that move back down. Then looking at USD yen, we can see price has changed character yesterday at this level, but the only thing is we had this demand zone down here and price actually didn't take out this zone. So with that said, price respected it and now it's now moving bullish once again, which also makes me question DXY's weakness right now at the moment. But if price can tap into the supply zone and DXY respects it, we could potentially get some shorts here on USD yen. But like I said yesterday, not something per se that I want to trade. Also same thing, Asian lows untested, and we also have a demand zone down here which could be a trap. Then looking at Euro USD, price I was actually in these moves this morning, so I'll just quickly show that happened there. On the 5 minute, we had a 2.1 pip stop, then we entered again on this
2.1 pip stop.
Yeah, so we managed to risk there, so then that's where our stop was. But yeah, then we entered over here once again on this move down. As you can see, we break even over here, so hit a PE, and now look where price is going, breaking structure. But it's good, it's good. So on the 50-minute chart, we can see a supply zone over here with the daily open. So with DXY strength now popping to the upside, we could potentially see price actually reverse and see EU pushing down as well. Then let's move over to GU. So this also what confuses me, because here we have untested lows but the demand zone as well as a daily pivot. So this could be a zone where GBP USD could now potentially trade up. So very, I wouldn't say choppy, but confusing markets at the moment. GJ as well, you would see still price has this demand zone over here in the Asian range, but then we have the weekly pivot and the daily pivot with this demand zone over here, also untested lows, Asian lows. So I'll still keep an eye on that and see what we can get. CAD yen, nothing there for me. I was looking at USD rand as well. If we can see the USD versus rand break above this level into the Asian range, then we could potentially see price flip. Also waiting for DXY to confirm that, then retracement into the S1 demand zone and potentially look for longs. However, if DXY continues being weak, here we have that supply zone for price to basically tap into and continue that move towards the downside. Then looking at gold, I back what Keegan said there. Even me, there was no entry here. There's nothing. You can't chase a moving bus. So the only thing now is kind of hoping that price will retrace. So we can see this demand price lift, and price has disrespected that level. So demand flipping to supply. Here we have the R2, we have 23.75, and we have a supply zone. So if DXY continues with this strength, I would want to see gold do that and basically sell towards the Asian highs. Then looking at US30, also bullish on that. I would like to see price trade down into either this little demand zone over here in the Asian range, but I don't fully trust that. Asian highs is on the table for us as well. We have an alert set and we'll target this unmitigated supply zone. Then on NASDAQ, we also have a demand zone over here. You'll see this is the weekly R1. So we'll see price potentially tap into this level at this demand zone, and price can only flip. I can only flip bearish once price breaks below this level, but then this zone over here and this zone over here could then cater for a little pullback to the upside if we do see sales. However, looking at the structure, and it is Friday, this looks like a nice day to induce more longs, and then only on Monday see a little pullback and then continue the structure to the upside. One more, oil. So I wanted to see oil break below this level, changing character, but we'll wait and see for that, because as you can see, price now tapped into that level before I wanted it to. So still gotta wait and see if we can see price break below the daily low and then continue the structure with a pullback into some sort of supply zone and then drop. But yeah, that's me.
Alright guys, there we are. You guys are lined up for quite a few trades this morning, all afternoon. So we're going to see what can happen. But in the meantime, guys, it's 16 past. So we've got we're gonna start getting the ball rolling here for you guys this Friday. So first things first, what I want you guys to do. You guys are gonna go over to the 2G's page, the Instagram page. Go videos. And there you guys are gonna see the Shaquille one is up. It's not live, but it's up. Now listen carefully. Either you can click there or click on it. And then you're gonna click on notify me, Chad. Right here, notify me. Once you click on notify me, we're gonna be able to see if you guys did. Once you've clicked on notified me, from those people, we are gonna select a few people for something. Maybe they're gonna get something. You never know. So we're gonna get back to that a little bit later. But for those that were here early, the early bird catches the worm. You go over, you click on that. You guys might be in for something later. So we're gonna let that accumulate, and then we will get back to that a little later. All right. But again, guys, that is a big one. Trust me. I promise you, we've been doing it for a long time. A lot of these podcasts, we did the Cape Town trip. It's coming to an end. I know we probably sound like a broken robot, but we saved the best for last. We're all going to be there in the chat on Sunday when it goes live, ready to watch it all together. Myself, Chris, I'm sure Jeff's going to be there as well.
Definitely.
Mo's going to be there. Shaq is going to be in the chat as well with you boys. It is going to be a big one. It is literally, we saved the best for last. It is an amazing podcast. And I think not only entertainment and the enjoyment of it, but there's a lot people can take away from that podcast. Even myself, like we sat there chatting forever and ever. And then when the podcast finished, we actually sat there chatting again. It was an amazing podcast, and a lot you guys should be able to take away from that one. So I promise you guys, you do not want to miss that one. So make sure you're there for that. The Vault Funder payments aren't working for the Capitec clients. I'm trying to buy an account. Chandler West, yes, Capitec is out at the moment. So just if you can, use a different option. Ozal is the best option. So just make sure you do it through Ozal. Now, Chad, to step number 2. Step number 2. This is Friday. It's in celebration of the podcast. It's in celebration of all of this. It has been a tough month. It has been a tough start to May. So you know what, the 2Gs were like, you know what, we're going to make this very, very valid for you guys. A lot of people asked this in such high demand. We're going to run. It is live already. So the minute I say this, you guys can go do it. We're running the biggest special we have to date. We're running a 45% off on all accounts. And it can be repeated. It's not a once-off code. Any account, $1. Any account size. You can buy 10 accounts if you want to. Buy one account with it, as many as you want. 45% off for today only. It is going to end tonight. It is going to end at 12 o'clock tonight. The code's gone. The code is 2Gs. 2Gs, and you guys will have 45% off. So use the link below here, guys. Support the channel, and you guys can make the most of it. I promise you guys, this isn't. Don't come ask me tomorrow if there's a code that's running. It is literally now 12 o'clock tonight. It goes off. It's going off. Saturday we rest and we smile, and Sunday we all watch the podcast together. 45% off on any account size, as many times as you want, guys. This
So
is
if
the
you're smart
biggest
about
one
it-
we've used, so do not miss it.
Yeah, so if you're smart about it, you know you're not just buying one.
Yeah. A little birdie told me, if you buy 2, you've technically had 90% off. That's nearly technically buying one, get one free. Hey?
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah, technically, yeah.
Technically.
Yeah.
But as I say, guys, make the most of it.
But if you buy 3, you definitely like get one
No,
free.
100%.
Oh yeah, Vince, I did see your comment. Thank you, man. Thank you. But next time. It'll happen in due time.
All right, Chad. All right. So there you guys have it. Not working yet, Griffin. It is working, brother. Gold gave us a head and shoulders on the 5-minute time frame, holding that movement. That is beautiful. We basically have 9 minutes till market open, Chad. So again, keep the special for Mother's Day, lol. Unfortunately not, guys. We are not keeping it for Mother's Day. I'm going to pin it there so you guys can go check it out the whole time. You can see it. So again, as I say, make the most of it, Chad. Is literally ending tonight. That is going to be it for the most. So again, it's not on socials and this and now. It is for the stream. It's for you guys. So if you make the most of it. I'm going to go double check quickly, but it should be live as of right now for you guys.
Yo, Curtis, man, I'll be good. Did you miss me yesterday? I think I'm still expecting you, or it might be someone else, but I think it was you. Curtis, I think he asked me for my number. I think he can sorting it out quickly with Chris. Don't worry, Jared. We'll probably have a update for you in a sec. Yeah, Vince. Yes, you made me so excited, man. Nah, all good. All good. In loose is the bullish on gold. Okay. Guys are playing with fire. The bullish on gold. That's true, Vince. Yo, time flies, eh? Time flies. I still can't believe like it's almost a year we've had this office. Yo, so much has happened.
Alright, Chad. Yeah, there we go. I was gonna say, sorry, they made a mistake. It was only working for the bigger accounts, but it is active on all of them now. There, all accounts, you guys can go use it now. So, as you said, please just show some support. Use the link in the description and make the most of it, Chad. Make the most of it. But I think that is it, Chad. What else are we missing? But yeah, there we go. Jared, Ed. Who else asked about it? It is fixed. You can go do it on any account size now. But we got 5 minutes till market open, Chad. Let's see what we're gonna get you. What time is the podcast on Sunday? It comes out at 7.
I think I told Mo about it. Like, just like sitting there, like even though in past I secure partials, yes, the account is growing, I'm in break even, but
But
now
it's
it's
not the
like
same. Like, you know, you came home, I maximized my opportunities in the
yeah,
markets
and it's
today.
like not like wondering like in the back of your mind, oh, what's price doing now? Maybe did it retrace? Did it go further?
Yeah,
I could just literally chill.
yeah. No, bro. 100% I get you. Yeah, I'm from BE, just checking your views. I am break even. Jeff, checking your views. Oh, okay.
Okay, all good.
Some clip. Jeff, hey, gents, did I hear correct? Another promotion 4% off. Silent, that is correct. There it is pinned. There's the code for you. 2Gs, 45% off today only. Ends at midnight. Just use the link in the bio, brother. One day only. You have one opportunity. Do you take it? Must say, in so far indices, everything looking to hold, looking very, very good here for us to start off the session. Gonna be interesting.
Cookster, I'm looking for EU to potentially sell if DXY does strengthen, but it doesn't look like it yet. Right now, I must sit in my hands. Is the news coming out?
4 o'clock, bro. 4 o'clock.
Okay.
4 o'clock. There's news coming out. Mm. 20 seconds, Chad, and markets are open. US study, NAS looking very, very good there for us. Gold holding off. Dollar mountain. Is this dollar going to break the zone now? Is it going to retrace? Who knows, Chad? We're going to find out very, very shortly. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and round 2, Chad. Fight. I hope you guys are ready, Chad. Hope you guys are ready, Chad. Okay, everything looking a little bit more bearish on the initial market open. We're gonna see what happens. Let's see, Chad. Let's see. What are our thoughts here, Chad? What are our thoughts? We're looking bullish. Keys, we need another fight. Say it out of your chat. NASDAQ. Guys, I still must say though, NASDAQ, I will love the buys. I would love this thing to take off. All of them, yeah. Personally, I would love the buys, Chad. That is, as I said, my outlook. But we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens here today.
Sorry, Chris held me hostage there quickly.
It's Chris holding you hostage, bro.
Nah, just showed me a very funny video of like a parody of what they do of these Forex influencers.
Oh yeah.
But you have to explain it. You have to watch it. I'll have him show it to you.
There goes DXY, Chad. Oh, damn. There goes NASDAQ. NASDAQ holding. US 30 holding.
TJ, what exactly is the error you're getting, or what's the problem exactly?
He didn't walk up with a how you doing. When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I knew him forever in a minute. That summer night, and how fast as he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like
Yo, bro, if DXY dies now.
I knew it when I met him. I love
This is something wrong. Please contact support when trying to purchase an account. What the hell? I've never seen that one.
I've never seen that.
I've never seen that.
Yeah. TJ, send a screenshot to either myself, Keegan, or Chris on Instagram.
just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no manners. Damn.
Will do. Perfect, bro. Perfect.
So no. And here's the reason why I would say that the hood guy or hood good guy. Here's why I say that. Okay, so I haven't studied at an institution per se that is like regulated, like let's say a university, whatever the case. But what, how can I put it? What was taught to me was taught to me by a guy in literally the USA. He doesn't have an academy and things like that. So when I've studied this and this works for me, and I tell you that here's a disclaimer, trading involves risk and things like that. This is how I trade. You back it off data. You make your own responsible decision as an adult. And that's the other thing also. I don't provide signals. I don't directly tell people to buy or sell anything. Hence also on the stream, for instance, when we take a trade, we say I am taking the trade. We never tell you guys to take the trade. So you make the decision by yourself. So for instance, and this is something I've thought about before. If you go to the FECA, for instance, and you report me that I'm a scammer and you've never been a client just because, for instance, for whatever reason, I would say to the FECA, okay, give me an account, let me trade, and I'll show you I can trade. I would literally say that. Because my thing is, like I said, just because I don't per se hold a qualification by the book, what makes me wrong?
Okay, but you are legally wrong.
Yeah, in that sense.
It's the same thing of saying if I studied to be a doctor, but I never. But hey, I can operate on you, and you've screwed something up. If
Okay,
you don't have a
but
doctor's thing,
no,
you
no,
can
that,
be.
no, that's different. That's you literally putting someone's life in danger.
No, bro. I don't want to be that guy, bro. You know I love you, but yeah, that legally you are gonna be wrong. If it goes to court legally, you will be wrong.
But this is also why the wood guy, if you guys have been following me, why I'm trying to get regulated.
Yeah, that's the best way to go about it, bro.
Yeah, I spoke to Rolly about it. He gave me some advice, gave me some stuff to study, but I must say it's not easy. It's not easy.
No. Michaela. Eddie shot. Kalen, it is the accumulation distribution. Please turn your mic on. The mics are on. I think you have mute on. The mics are on, my brother. Shot spear here, awesome. There we go. As you said, Chad. So basically, yes, this NAS taking off, US 30 taking off. Guys, I still think gold. We able to catch the The problem is if these things give you guys, the issue you're gonna have is if you get caught on the wrong side. Yeah, remember that you got comics coming up. If you're on the wrong side, yeah, I promise you're gonna get hurt badly. So we do have alerts on here. I want to see what's gonna happen when it gets to the what's the name? R2. There we go.
Yeah, that's also one of the reasons why I've been journaling. So I wanna. So I actually spoke to it about this, or it gave me this recommendation. I must take one of my accounts, like fund it like properly, like with 5-10K, and like literally that. Okay, it's gonna sound bad now, but like that must be, obviously I have a company, Faro Market, so that must be my marketing account. That way I don't have to show my personal results all the time, but then use that account as a track record as well. But yeah, man, it's a very hot thing to talk about. This whole regulation thing. But yeah, this is why I want to get regulated. I want to get all the proper documents behind me and things like that, so that when shit actually hits the fan, you know that I'm actually in the safe, or I can at least say, but look, I'm already in the process of doing this and so forth. Term figures, yes, we trade full time. Trade full time. Honestly, like, bro, best job ever. And you see also the hood guy, and like also so the sound, it might sound bad, but this is also why we call out the scammers per se, because now, for instance, like people like myself who actually provide a service, I'm not scamming people, I'm not doing weird things like that. It makes it difficult for us eventually, you know, and then it frustrates me as someone like providing a service, because it's like I look at all these guys who like Joash them, Dad and them, Jason them, these guys, and it's like just because these guys have these cars that was given to them and things like that, and it's like people would rather go sign up with them than actually come sit down and learn. You know how frustrating that is to see that. Term figures, myself, I technically went full time in COVID. Because okay, yeah, but that 2019 was the last year I worked a job. Keegan, I'm not sure exactly, and I'm also not exactly sure how many years Chris has under the belt. But Chris is the OG. I think he has the most experience. And I get you, Neo. It's just frustrating sometimes. You know, it's just sometimes like you sit back and you think about it, and it gets very frustrating. But obviously, like my life doesn't revolve around these people. I have amazing clients. I honestly can say I have an amazing life. Um, yeah, not many people can sustain themselves from trading. Like I always tell people, I'm not a millionaire, but like I would never pretend to be something I'm not. And just being able to do what I do, I feel like that's more than enough. Oh damn, that's nicely done. Awesome, man. Yeah, Tim. So when I went full time, that's also when I decided I'm gonna get into this game of like the trading and like providing a service on a more broader scale, because I was like, yeah, I don't want to say that word on the stream. I don't want to swear so much, but you know, those guys. I just wanted to prove a point, and I feel like yes, I haven't made it where I want to be yet, but I mean, like for instance, like Chris recognized what I do. Chris recognized what I do. I wasn't even close with Chris. Chris recognized what I did, and it's like, then I think back, for instance, like the owner of Quick Trade, how I used to like beg him to like understand my vision, and like the man would never understand my vision. With Chris, I didn't even have to talk to him about it, and it just made me realize as well that the right people will see, the right people will see. Ridwan, yes, we have news coming out at 4. Yo. Sorry about that. Yeah, Slashy, it really makes it difficult for the guy, because like I also spoke to someone about it, I think in the week, where we said like, for instance, the moment you said trade Forex, people think you're a scammer, and I was like that's just an opinion you have, like you haven't even actually looked into, So yeah, that's why I say it's frustrating, because that immediately makes people think that trading is a scam. But yeah, Keegan, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Deslico, y'all actually do give signals on stream? Yes, we do. Okay, we don't give signals. We take trades and we show it to you guys so you guys follow. So it's not really a signal if you take your own discretion.
Alright, guys, you have got my undivided attention, and that's literally the 15-minute shuffle done and dusted, baby. So I hope you guys are ready for this.
Chandler, not sure. Keegan, do you maybe know when KPT will be fixed on Full Thunder?
Shortly, but I don't have an actual deadline. That's the thing, guys. We wait from Capitec, so that's the thing, guys. So don't be upset with us. It's Capitec that we wait for, so it's on their side. They've got to fix it.
Oh, hey there, Max. Good to see you. Yeah, not every day to see your name, yeah, but
Just
always awesome to have you. Yeah.
yeah. So, guys, the reason the problem comes is that for those that don't know, Capitec isn't white labeled, so that is where the problem comes in.
Thank you, Kaden, man. Thank you.
Hanakos, my boy, keep it up, bro. Hey, brother, keep it up, my man. Absolutely killing it, bro. You know what we say? If they can't trade live, you can't trust them, bro. But John Chad, I think we're going to see very quickly 50-minute shuffles come and gone. So we're just going to see what we can get you. US 30 for me, still looking good. NASDAQ, as I said, very explosive mode. We wanted to hold the weekly resistance, so that is very good for us. Gold, on the other hand, I'm very, very happy with. The case now is just if we can enter 15 minutes before this news comes out. As I said, this news will be very, very big for the indices. Technically, we are obviously very bullish. The fact dollar finally breaking this 4-hour support. Once we get a close under this, I think dollar is just going to waterfall to the downside. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. But obviously, indices, as much as they are explosive, guys, I think these things still have so much room to run. So much room to run. So it's just a case of where we can get it. That's all. So we're going to see it, Chad. We are going to see. Vince, all good. How are you? That's okay. We're such we are. We're going to see if they can't trade. Oh, bro. But let's see, Chad. Jeff, what's on the cards for you? Anything getting close to your areas?
So yeah, we actually have a price in my zone on EU, but DXY is doing it's nothing for me yet. But I'm looking at NASDAQ and USD. They've actually become like a favorite to me recently.
Yeah, I've actually also brew this week, specifically this week, where gold's been so dear Makar, I've really been enjoying NAS and USD.
So I'm hoping to get some buys on. I'm heavy bullish on NASDAQ.
Yeah, bro. I mean, you can't not be bullish on it. And the thing is, technically, NASDAQ has a much better technical analysis than USD is just very explosive at the moment.
Yeah.
It's very expanded. Where this is still making highs, bringing higher lows, higher highs. Like, it's super basic, bro. Keys, how long have you been in trading business? Kaylin, getting close to probably October, it will be 5 years. What made you take the leap, Jev? What leap did you take?
Oh, I think going full time. To be honest, seeing my family struggle, my man. I never want them to struggle. I want to make so much money. I want to give the money away.
That's beautiful, bro. That is some motivating stuff right there.
No, for real.
love
Like really. Like I want to make so much money that no one has to.
No, like I'm not like making
Yeah.
fun of you, bro. I'm being serious.
I think a lot of times I say that to people and they're like, but why would you want to do that? And it's like you know how it hurts me when I know that someone's struggling, but I'm not in the position to be help them at that moment because because I also have my own problems. And it's just like, this is why I'm like, guys, like if we want to change the world, it's gonna be up to all of us. Like this community we have right here, like there's 7,000 subscribers. This means that there's 7,000 people out there willing to change their lives. And I imagine all of us banding together with the same vision to make the world a better place. And the thing is, we need money to do that. And this is an industry where we can do it. If I must tell you guys my actual vision I have for 2047. Oh. Thanks, Ed. See, this guy gets it. This guy gets it. Miss Tiza, I hope I'm saying your name right. So what's the logic? They say if there's more buyers, the market goes up. There's more sellers, the market goes down. Now imagine we all become so profitable that if we take a trade, we move the market. See, they're like, that's how people don't get, like, that's how big my vision I've told this to all my students. Like, for instance, I don't know who is she. I think Lyndon Knight is here. I think Max is here. I've told every one of them the exact same thing. Even though they sign up with me to learn to trade, I even have a vision for them. And that vision is that we all become so profitable. This is why I also have a community. That we go tackle this market on our own. And we, oh, guys.
Holy moly, son. You get the other chat, I'm still down 67 pips, if they were wondering. If the chat was wondering, I'm still waiting here for a setup. What is the setup?
Thank you for that, Max. I really, really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Oh, the guys are busy doing some almost a technical analysis, setting some things up here for the chat. Dale, I don't know if Chris is gonna answer that comment. Chris is, yeah. What was my best trade? Okay, that is easy to remember. 10,000 rand in one trade. Wait, so the giveaway is live? Okay, the people are dropping numbers here. Chad, wait.
Chad, no, there's
Wait.
no giveaway. Chad, hold on. Chad, we were setting Nightbot up, guys. We apologize. It still showed loading on our screen, so we didn't think it's going through. We didn't. Oh, Chad. Oh, yeah, Chad. I love you guys. All right, guys. There goes DXY. Yo, this is gonna be interesting, bro. We're gonna literally get the entry, like our perfect entry criteria, as markets are going to get juicy now. Keys remind you of the giveaway at the end of the stream. So we're gonna get there, guys. False evidence. Congratulations, you have won the competition, and your prize is depression. Hey, Chad.
Tim, I was trading synthetics then. I think it was Boom 1000 or Boom 500. It was one of those two pairs.
Guys, so hold on. While we wait, okay, we've got things set up here. It's still 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, and then we're gonna see the news come out. So just chill, Chad. I think what we're gonna do is, so we're gonna be doing 5 10k giveaways.
5 10k.
5 10ks, guys.
That is 900,000 rand worth of buying power.
So we are gonna be doing 5 10k giveaways, Chad. So how this is gonna work, Vince, I get you, and that's where we're gonna do this. We're gonna do them randomly. We're not gonna do them all together. We're gonna keep track of how many we're doing, but we're gonna do the one now, and then we're gonna take a break, and I'll do the next one whenever I feel like it, and then we'll do the next one randomly, and then we'll until we've done 5 before the end of the stream, just to keep the guys here. Keys, before you do it, how do you get your account? All right, guys. All right. So I'm going to explain it once for the Chad, because again, we don't really do a lot of New York sessions, so I understand if you guys don't. All you guys need to do, because keep in mind, if you guys don't know the rules, you invalidate your account. So you guys, no, Vince, I'm going to explain it to them now. So if you don't remember the rules, if you win, and then you message myself or Chris later trying to claim your account, and then you're going, but how do I claim it? You've invalidated, and we'll give it away to someone else. Okay, so listen carefully, Chad. What's going to happen now is, when you guys do, you need to go over to Vault Funder. So you can open your page, your search, go Vault Funder, you'll go over to it, and then literally just log in, and you basically can. Otherwise, you can even go straight down. You don't have to purchase now, but just go log in. Basically, then you'll go sign up an account. You don't have to purchase anything. You don't have to do any of that. Just sign up, because obviously we need the account where we will use your email address is what we will then send the account to. So just make sure you have that in place. All right, Chad. So that's all you have to do. Then what happens is, now that you've made the account, if you win, on the top right for you guys, you're then going to message myself, or I think it's over there, that side. Yeah, this side, yeah, Chad. You guys are then going to message myself or Chris. Preferably just message Chris. And you're going to message him with the email address you used to sign up and make the account. And then you're just going to take a screenshot of the name you used that you won the account with. Okay. That's all you're going to do.
Once again, some pages, some markers, and
no, bro, we're sophisticated. We have a new way of doing it now.
Oh, we're no longer cavemen.
Yeah, we are no longer cavemen. we have discovered light and fire. But I'll write it down on my phone. So I'll keep a notepad open so I can remember the names here. And then, as I say, what is the steps, Chad? Make a Vault Funder account. Okay, number 1, create a Vault Funder account. Number 2, you're then going to DM Chris or myself, preferably Chris. DM him, and you're going to send him the email you used to create the account and a screenshot of your YouTube account that you want it with. Okay, very, very simple. Those 3 things. You just need to prove it's you that owns that YouTube account. Then the email address you used to create your Vault Funder account, and then we'll send you the account from there on. Very, very simple. So we're going to just open it up here quickly in my notepad just so I can, again, write down your YouTube names. Some of you guys are very creative ones. But Chad, I'm going to give this over to my boy Jeff. Jeff, you can get us kickstarted with the first one.
Okay.
So how Jeff is going to choose a range, guys. Jeff is going to choose a number range.
Can I just text you the number?
No, you don't. You can't take it. It's going to choose the number.
Oh, okay.
So
okay.
you
So
don't
I'ma
even
just-
know the number. It's going to choose it.
Okay, so just the range. Okay.
You're going to tell me what is the range, Jeff.
Let's go with lucky number 400 to 500.
400 to 500. Okay, Chad. When this thing says go, you guys can then go. All right. So the range is 400 to 500.
Chad, wait. That
Right.
night part first.
That's already started.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
All right, Chad. Let's see. There we go, Chad. We have a winner. You guys can see there, Dion Bender.
Oh,
You
Dion.
are our winner.
Nice, man.
You got the first one
Nice.
here today. So amazing stuff there, brother. Amazing stuff. We're just gonna see what's happened. Yeah. So Dion, you are our winner. You know the 2 steps. Just tell me there in the chat, yes or no. You know the steps. Yes or no. Dion Bender, thanks. Yeah, Dion, just give me yes. There we go.
Okay,
All right,
awesome,
Chad.
Dion.
So that is our first one. Dion Bender, you are our first winner. Making it nice and easy for us with a normal name. Dion Bender, you are our first one. You are our first winner, brother, of a 10K Vault Funder account. So best one there. All right, guys. So we're gonna carry on a little bit, and then we've got 4 more to still give away. So make sure you stay here. You don't go anywhere. There's gonna be 4 more accounts being given away. Let's open this thing up. All right.
It opens.
News. Oh, the news. What did the news come out? Let's see. Pending. I don't care about that. I want to see this. 67.4. Ooh. Chad. Ooh. That isn't good. That is not good. That has just left the door open a little bit there for the dollar. That has just left the door open for the dollar there, Chad. Gold won't be too much affected on it, but NASDAQ and US30, they just left that door open. And in South Africa, when you go to bed, it's not a good idea to leave the door open. That just made things very interesting. Watch out for music copyrights or something will happen to the channel. Nazrali, trust me, bro, we actually get copyrighted almost every single stream. But that's the thing, we are here for the people, we are here for the chat. So making the money off YouTube is not really our main focus right now.
And not just that, we make money from trading.
Yeah, so again, we don't need the copyrights. We take the shots for you guys. The YouTube is not, even though we are there, we barely get paid from it because of this. We bring the vibes instead. Guys, the giveaway is done for now. Yeah, guys, I think you maybe are a little bit late. Do yourself a favor, just click the little live button here at the bottom of your screen. Click live. It will bring you back up to date. You guys might be a few seconds behind, maybe a few minutes actually. But we're going to see here, Chad. I'm still very much liking this here. DXY needs to get under this. And gold for me, if we can break this little intro range here, I will like the longs on gold. Purely NASDAQ and them fumbling the ball a little bit there. So we're going to see what happens here, Chad. Gold looking good. Now, you are legit. Appreciate it, Tim. Appreciate it.
Andile, when signing in the Vault Funder and the ID number says Capitec items only contain so your ID number, only contains numbers.
Yeah, no, but the error comes in even if you put numbers in there. Andile, do me a favor. Leave it blank.
Yeah.
Don't fill it in. Leave it blank.
Yeah, so I was gonna say also now leave it blank.
Leave it blank. And we'll ask you for it later.
But
The
it's
thing
weird
is-
though.
No, the problem is it's on the home page. It shouldn't be there. It should only come up in the payment option. So once you go to payment and you're choosing Capitec,
yeah.
it should come up. When you fill it on that first home
But
page, it
quick
shouldn't be
question
there.
on your dashboard, since you've
Yeah.
had an account since the beginning with Vault Funder, does yours say Capitec ID or only ID?
Capitec ID.
That's so weird. Mine says only ID.
Nah, mine does say Capitec ID. So
That is so odd.
yeah, so guys, that on that home page when it asks you for it, just leave it blank. If you are Capitec at the pay gateway, you will fill it in. But again, Capitec is down at the moment, so please guys use Ozile, use something else. Capitec is just a pain for us right now, if I'm being honest with you. But all the other gateways, we literally had some brothers complaining this morning. Ozile is working perfectly.
Yeah. What is happening here? USDT coming almost to my zone.
Ah, bro, they fumbled the ball badly there with the comics. They missed that big time. Thanks, I left it blank and it went through. Perfect,
There
Andile.
you go.
We are, hope you can get a nice account there. Make use of that special. Support the channel. And we're going to see you trading here with us with that Vault Funder account on Monday. Let's see. Okay, we really are going to get copyright on this music. Like
Play some.
I know, like we don't really care, but
Must I
like
play
we,
it?
we at least try. No, we are not
Must-
playing your. No, Jeff. Jeff. Let's just put that on there, Chad. I don't know what this is. We're gonna see this playlist here. Play Slashy's rap on SoundCloud. Jeff, what are you waiting for in US 30? Let's see Jeff's screen. What are you waiting for?
See, the better one for me is NASDAQ. The reason
Okay.
why I say that's because USD is at a supply zone. So USDT, I want to see it come into the Asian high, basically tap that demand zone. We have this little wick over here. So if price breaks below this level, change of character. But the thing is, if this candle comes down like this and doesn't close and rejects, there's no change of character. And if our entry is there and we get something like this and it rejects above, then we're good to go. The moment it closes above, we go break even. The moment we go 1 to 1. So that's what I want to see. And similar outlook here on NASDAQ. I want to see it actually hit the pivot and this demand zone. That's what I say. It looks better. And then in the 4 hour, as you see here, we have all this imbalance to go full. So literally all of that. And then gold. What's gold doing? Oh. But the thing is, can't sell gold.
Ooh. Chad, I'm not gonna lie to you. I actually was a little bit asleep there. We should have actually executed on gold already. We're just gonna see what happens here. We should have actually executed already now. Larkeys, you need to announce winners. Must be subbed to the channel as well before their accounts. Just saying. Oh yeah, guys, that's true. You also need to be subbed to the channel. I think that would be an obvious one. I mean, guys don't know we can do our homework this side.
Yeah.
We're
It's
gonna
AI
investigate
nowadays.
you little people. Alright. As I say, chat, everything's still hanging on for its lives here. NASDAQ US 30 gold. Some people don't know what obvious means. You know what they say, guys. Common sense sometimes isn't so common. But let's see, Chad. We might even get into the second one pretty soon if we don't start seeing anything on the market. DXY for me, as I said, needs to do something. Either break above, break below, but we need to get out of this zone. And gold is going bearish now, but I'll rather wait. Let's see what we can wait for DXY to give us something.
TJ, if you're watching, send your message, but you must just send Chris your ID, not your ID number, your email that you use to sign up.
TJ.
Yeah, TJ. I don't know if that's his real name, but
I was just
yeah.
say we just had a guy Dion just won. Who's TJ?
Oh no, TJ's has the same error as the contact support, the one we've never seen before. Yeah, so Chris says with that error. Okay, so Chad, if you have the error that it says please contact support, just send your email to thingy. Okay, awesome. And then Jay, just leave it open.
Yeah, that's it addressed. Awesome, guys. Liesel, you haven't missed. Technically, you did. You missed the first one, but we have 4 more giveaways coming up. So just stay tuned. You can be one of the next lucky 4 to win. Chad, as I said, if I don't see anything else soon, maybe at the close of those next 5 minutes, we might then execute so long, maybe start that next giveaway. Yo, bro, I must say, yesterday and NASDAQ getting quite messy now.
Yeah, it's really
Up and down, bro. This is just blow your account on a Friday. This is Friday pain right there.
gold actually rejected that little nice.
This is the guy, like, you either tried to sell, and then it was like, listen, you need to stay home and stop drinking this weekend. And then this was the guy that was like, I need money, I'm gonna go drinking. And then there was gold. It was like, again, nope, you got to stay home, look after your family. I'm gonna blow your account. 247 people like him. Push the likes to 200. Let's get a chat. I know you can get that thing to 200, no problem. Keep in mind, guys, again, I'm going to sound like a broken record, but 45% off more multiple uses, any account size you want. Make the most of it, one day only. I promise you guys, please, if you message me tomorrow and asking me if there's a discount code, I'm going to block you. I'm telling you, it's today. It ends tonight at midnight. It's not a joke. Don't send me tomorrow being like, bro, I thought you guys were joking when you said that. No, it's ending tonight at midnight, I promise you. So use code 2Gs. The link is in the description. Make the most of it, Chad. Yeah, the Peter. Yeah, the Chad. The boys. Is it the NFP code, Mr. Mizo? It is not. It is called 2Gs. The code is 2Gs. So 2Gs. Yo, there we go, guys. As I said, DXY needed to break. There it's pumping up. This is going to get interesting now. NASDAQ basically retraced the whole move from the open. US 30, still in the middle of nowhere, really. And gold, yeah, personally, guys, if gold does anything, gets under these lows here, under, I think it's the R1, yeah, under the R1, I will look to sell it. Purely because Asia lows untested. Right there. So we could definitely see a sell come in. And again, the fact that comics was a miss. Fundamentally now, we have a reason for dollar strength to have a little bit of a comeback. Okay, thanks. Perfect. Chad, but while we wait, we are locked in for gold. Personally, I think I'm not going to take NAS. That is just retracing everything. If anything, it can also kind of go back to Asia lows, daily pivot EQ. Can be a beautiful sell, but that obviously is not the plan for me, so I can't look at that. US 30, Asia highs, has it a retest, Asia lows. Daily pivot all the way down there again can be a beautiful sell, but that is not the plan for me. So personally, gold is what's best on the card, so that's what I'm going to watch here. Gold will sell soon, bro, Rodwan. We are watching out for it. Funny enough, I want it if it breaks 4-hour lows. Peter, you want the buys or you want the sells? Like Jeff said, 900k value being given away. Keys before next giveaway. Can we get those likes to 200? Chad, how about that? We get those likes to 200 now. We'll do round 2 of the giveaway. Sells. Okay, perfect, perfect, Peter. Then we are in the same boat here. Okay, so you're talking about that would be beautiful. Yeah, no, I get where you're coming from, Peter. So, Chad, let's just see. Get those likes to 200, and we can do round number 2 of who wants a 10K account. Do you want a 10K account? Do you want a 10K account? We are going to find out next. It's broken the highs twice already and never the lows. 100%. Thanks, Geeks. Likes to 200. We over 200 watching. Come on, guys. 4 more. You guys can do this. You guys can do this in your sleep. 2 more. Let's see, Chad. Let's see. Jeff, still nothing on the cards for you, yeah, brother.
Oh, still nothing. Still nothing. But I'm also eyeing those gold sales. Just want to see it actually go up a bit more.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
I actually want to see 23.75.
23.75 for the sales.
Yeah.
Yes, bro. Okay. Let's go. There you guys go. 200, Chad. You guys want... Who wants to be a 10K funded account winner? Find out next week on 2Gs. I'm joking, guys. Okay, let's get into it, Chad. So this one, I will be choosing the range. We are waiting here. You can see we are waiting. So please don't come at me being like, bro, is that a sell? Is it a buy? What are we doing? We are going to get a trade for you. Trust me. I want to watch here these lows. So we're just watching to see if this gets broken here for us, Chad. Okay. DXY is pumping, so we know that's looking good there. NAS USD, I think, are in a lot of trouble. Gold is the one for us. Okay, so let's go, Chad. While we wait, let's get this thing going. Yeah, the range, Chad, is going to be. We're gonna go a big number here for you, Chad. The second one, 7,800 to 8,000 for those 8K subs, baby.
Oh.
So the range, Chad, 7,800 to 8,000. Let's see, Chad. Let's see. Who is going to get it? Come on, Chad.
Sure.
Who is going to get it? There's a lot of you here. Who wants the next 10K account, baby? There we go. Oh, it is my brother. He's flexing that money. I see that money there in his hand. We've got a vid shorts viewer. My man's already looking like he's a big flexer millionaire. Check those 100 Rand notes there. I think those are 100 Rands. But my man's already a baller. He is our winner, Avid. I'm going to call you Avid. So, Avid, is that...
Congratulations, my man.
Let me know, yeah. Are you, yeah, Avid? Where are you, brother? Do you know the process? The big question, Avid, do you know the process? Or are you going to invalidate the account? Let's see. Were you here from the start? Were you listening, Avid? Where are you? Where is Avid? Avid, we're going to give you 20 seconds, brother, to claim that account. You've got 20 seconds to claim that account.
Please don't tell me the man was like, I'm not going to win, and walked away.
All right, Chad. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Avid.
5, 4. Ooh. That man's living life on the edge, Chad. Avid, you are here. Avid, do you know the process, brother? Do you know the process? Please tell me yes. Let's see who my brother is. Where's Avid? Do you know the process, brother? Yes, I know my brother. Oh, that is awesome, Avid. So message Chris and go claim that account, bro. Avid Shorts Viewer. There we go. That's number 2, Chad. Number 2 done and dusted. We have got 3 more, Chad. 3 more. So stay tuned. There will be 3 more accounts to go before the end of the stream. DXY absolutely flying. Gold. Come on, gold. Give it to us. Vince trying to help the other brothers out here. All right, Chad. All right. Chad, you know what? We are waiting here. I mean, we're not going to sit here too long today. We are waiting here. So we're even going to get straight into the second giveaway. I'm skipping work to check on the chat. Hope my manager ain't here. Bob the Builder. I hope he isn't, bro. In the sense for you, I hope he's here to grow and be part of the community. But I hope he doesn't see you. Yeah. We will one day. Yeah. You know me. I'm always fooling around. All right, Chad. So we're going to start off with the third. Sorry, Donnie, if I said something else, but yo, the third giveaway, Chad, the third 10k account. We're going to get into it. Jev, this one is going to go back over to you, my man. What is the number you want to choose, brother?
Oh, okay.
What is the range?
What's an interesting time in life? I would say 1,600
1,600
to 1,750.
1,750. All right, Chad. 1,600 to 1,750. Let's get it, Chad. This is the third 10k account. Who is going to win it? Who's going to win it, Chad? Ooh, there we go, Chad.
That was
Meneer
fast.
Rian Bender.
Ooh,
You are our winner.
they so lucky. First one was Dion Bender and Rian Bender. I think they.
Oh, damn. That is crazy.
I think they're family, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, do you know them?
Yeah, I know them. They part of the chat.
Hey, Rian, ek weet. Hey, I love it. I didn't have to
Lovely man,
ask.
guys. Lovely man.
Brothers, I didn't. Oh, they are brothers.
Ah,
Hey,
beautiful gents, beautiful.
Rian, that is awesome. So I don't even have to ask you. Look at that, Chad. I don't even have to ask if you knew the process. The minute you heard his name, he already was like, ek weet. There we go. I love it. You're both of the Bender brothers walking away this Friday with two 10k funded accounts. Absolutely awesome, guys. So both of you can go compare who the better trader is starting on Monday. You guys start the same time. But beautiful stuff, Chad. So we got two more 10k accounts we will be giving away. So still don't go anywhere, Chad. It is still very nice and warm here. If it's just donate 100 ZAR, then you get another entry. Can you enter and win more than once? Avid, you can, but we might do something a little bit different if we get a guy winning. Changing my surname to Bender. But let's see here, Chad. Let's see. DXY, bringing the pain. I told you guys that was a big miss. They allowed the DXY to come back here today. That missed the comics. That allowed that. That was a massive miss. Tell us in position before it happens first. So US30 personally, I think will be an awesome side. If we see what NASDAQ is doing compared also to what DXY is doing, US30, if you're clever, you'd actually maybe take the sell there, Chad. I don't want to say I'm being clever now. I'm not going to take that sell, but. Nas King K, how does the process work? I can't tell you that, bro. If you're clever, you would quickly go rewind, but then you miss the chance of while you're watching the rewind, do you miss the next giveaway? But if you don't know the process, you invalidate the account, so you should have been here when it happened. And sadly, gold not moving. Yeah, it's crazy. But Chad, you know what? We aren't getting anything else, so we're going to go straight into this. You know what, Friday, even if we're going to get a trade, we are at least going to basically give away some accounts. So we're going to go into the fourth account giveaway, guys. Second last one. For this one, we're going to go lucky number 500 to 800, Chad. 500 to 800. I hope you guys are ready. Go for it, Chad. 500 to 800. Let's see who is going to get it. This is the fourth 10k account giveaway. Who is going to be our winner, Chad? You guys are battling here. No one getting it as of yet. No one seeming to get it. It actually is a good number though. Quite a nice number. Gold giving us something here, Chad. So we're gonna see what happens here. Ooh. Chad.
I would
Still no
love.
winner.
I would love to see it close like slightly lower and then go up.
Huh?
Gold. I would love to see it close here and go up
Where do you want to grind up here, bro?
to 23.75.
No.
But either way, we're getting an entry
Yeah,
here. We're
Chad,
getting
you
an entry
guys,
here.
is no one getting this number yet, Chad? No, man. How are you guys not getting this? Was this a difficult range?
I can't even scroll more up after that.
Yo, Chad, you guys are battling here. The Chad is suckling. Chad, I'm going to give you guys a hint. It is less than 700. It's less than 700. Come on, Chad. Nightbot's waiting for a winner, yeah. Yo, some of you getting so close. Some of you getting so close. Still Nightbot's waiting. Bro, there's sometimes like this. I wonder, is Nightbot broken? Or is it you guys just really can't get this number?
Yeah, that's a bit weird.
Yo, bro, some of you literally have the number. Your number's just the wrong way around. Come on, Chad. Come on, Chad. Wait. Oh, I was going to say, for the first time I saw it, and then I saw someone answer. We got a winner, Chad. I actually saw the number come through, and at the same time, Nightbot picked it up. Mr. Forex Insights, SA, Big Ed.
Oh, awesome stuff,
Big
man.
Ed. Well done,
Lovely,
brother.
man. Lovely.
Well done. You got it. So there we go, guys. So Big Ed is the next winner. Ed, if you do not know the account, brother, then there's a problem. I'm even taking your wrench array if you don't know the account, if you don't know how this works. But Big Ed is our winner here, Chad. So there we go. Ed, the next one. So we're going to put there. Oof.
Nah, it's meant to be, Ed. It's meant to be.
All right.
Yo,
Come on, I made the
DXY
process.
just yesterday. DXY flipping like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah, bro. But I said the fun again. Now, someone told me, Chad. You people want to tell me. I think it was my brother Mo, not our Mo, but the Mo, the one that's smart ass here in the Chad. Says you do not need to know fundamentals to be a good trader. We said if fundamentals did, this is what was going to happen. This is fundamental driven, right, here. So if you're in here, my brother, take notes. But Chad, you know, we're going to get straight into the last one as well, because we're going to have to wrap up soon anyway. It is Friday. We're not going to sit around. If Marcus just can't give us something.
I might have a signal.
All right. But Jeff, before you get into that trade.
Now we still have to wait. I still have to wait. I have to wait 3.5 minutes.
Okay. Well, it is on your screen so the guys can't see. But Jeff, you're going to be the lucky one to give us our last range. What is the last range we're going to look at, Jeff?
2,000
2,000. Yo, big numbers.
to 200. I mean 2,000 to 2,200.
All right, 2,000 to 2,200, Chad. There you guys go. Let's see who's going to be our last winner today. Our last winner of the last 10K account. Who's got it? Who has got it, Chad? Who's going to bring this one home? Maybe you haven't made some profits today, but you can still walk away with a funded account challenge. And to me, that's a win going into the weekends. Let's see, Chad. Let's see. Yo, Nightbot choosing some hard numbers here today. The Chad battling here. Some of you getting very, very close again. Some of you getting very close, Chad. But just not close enough. Nightbot patiently waiting. Oof. Some of you, guys, some of you are off by a number. Like a number. Hey, there we go. We got a winner here, Chad. BRV. BRV, you are our lucky winner here of the last funded account, the 10K funded account. BRV, do us a favor. Let me know, do you know the process? BRV, let us know. Do you know the process? I don't know if it's female or a guy, so we don't know right now. But BRV, do you know? Where is BRV? Yes. All right. Sorry, Chad. This thing is still literally catching up on all the numbers. BRV, yes. Yeah, there it only came through for me now. Yes, okay, BRV, that is awesome. So you are our last winner for the day. BRV. That is all the account winners today, guys. I hope you guys make the most of it. Account winners. There we go. They've all been sent through. So when you guys go through, they'll just get validated quickly, and you guys can claim your accounts. But that is awesome, guys. Very, very awesome. Happy. There goes DXY, and there goes gold. As of yet, guys, we couldn't get an entry there. See, Chad, I'm not gonna take it there. It's a Friday. I'm not gonna take a riskier trade over there for me. So personally, that's gonna be me from my side, Chad. But I don't know about what this little man's going to do here. Jeff, what are you doing?
Goedendag, mensen. Okay, so basically, I want to see NASDAQ break above the pivot. So I basically just want to see price trade above this high, close there, leave me with a fair value gap.
I can
more or
tell you
less
now,
around
bro,
the
there's
pivot.
not a chance we're waiting for that on stream.
Hopefully we get it. What time is it? Let's give it 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes. You want
Yeah.
that thing to pump up there and pull back and then pump back up.
Let's just see how the next 5 minute candle closes.
Bro, this man's just. I don't know what world he thinks that's going to happen in 5 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go.
But that is it, Chad. I might be back here quickly. But Chad, Jeff, you got your 5 minutes, eh?
3 more minutes.
You got your.
3 more minutes.
That thing hasn't moved nearly anywhere where you wanted it to yet.
Have faith, Keegan. Have faith.
Chad, but in the meantime, while Jeff, I don't know, prays to the market gods that someone in 3 minutes that's going to move there.
What did the guy say to? To Paul.
Yeah, Chad, again, been an absolutely crazy week. Thank you for all the support. As I said, guys, you built the Shack podcast on Sunday. You guys do want to miss out on that, to make sure you hit that notification thing. It's going to be a party in the chat before that goes live. Myself, Jev, Chris, Mo, even Shaq himself, we're all going to be there in the chat chatting with you guys. So it is definitely going to be good. But that's going to be a silent one. To the guys that did it, remember the process to go claim those accounts. The minute you guys can get the process done, you can get those accounts claimed. But it's been a crazy week, guys. So don't be hard on yourselves as traders. This has been a tough week in the markets. I won't even lie. People like ourselves that are experienced have a good idea of what we're doing. It has been a tough week. And this just shows experience, Chad. Sorry, I'm going to... Obviously, as I said, not going to take those lows. I just don't feel comfortable there at the end of a Friday. And look at that right there. That would have been a stop already. So just, again, good risk management. Just getting very choppy and messy. I don't want to be a part of that now and end my Friday on a... So, Jeff, obviously waiting there. Chad, if you haven't, please just drop a like and a sub. Really helps the channel grow. We are on the road to 10K, so it is going to be crazy. And when we get to 10K, Chad, trust me, there's some big things planned. Going to be an amazing achievement, but lots and lots to learn and change from there onwards. Thanks to you for doing what you guys are doing. Keep up the good work. Then lastly, guys, also remember code 2GS, 45% off today only, using the link in the description. On all accounts, you can use it 20 times, 1,000 times, 1 times, twice, who knows, as many as you want, and it will go through on any of the accounts, ZAR or dollar. Make the most. That will be gone by midnight tonight, so don't message us, don't ask us tomorrow if that is still there. 45% off, Chad. So Jeff, that's basically 20 seconds and it's done.
Yeah.
Any remarks from your side?
So I'm still going to look for guys until 5 o'clock. I want to see that move happen. So very simple. I'm going to see price break above this last high. Test it, leave me with some sort of fair value gap around the pivot and this little low over here. And then, yeah, we'll look to smack it. And then, but ideally, you're going to enter more or less around this level. And then you want to have like a, I would say 30 pip stop max. Oh, that looks so big though. But initially, then from there, not going to leave anything on the table. We just go for 1, 2, 3. Just like that.
But alright, Chad. Alright, but I mean, Jeff, so you're still going to look out for that trade till...
Yeah. You can go if you want to. I can stay with the chat.
It doesn't work like that, bro. You know that. But yeah, we have a special request here from our boy Mo in-house, Chad. So we're going to be finished off here. That is the trade you guys are watching. So Jeff has helped you guys out there, dropping that for you. Take a note, screenshot that, look at that. Till 5 o'clock, then basically he'll be deleting that.
Yeah, but
so
I will send the update in my Telegram group for those who are there. Okay, then I'm not gonna fall for that. Miles got me once, never again.
So there you go, Chad. Other than that, Chad, it has been amazing. Hopefully, we're gonna see you guys on Sunday in the Chad for the podcast. Again, make use of the podcast. Make use of the discount code. The link is down below. And again, been an absolutely amazing week, guys. We love the support we're getting from you. This community is growing day by day. And it's only going to get better. Next week, Chad, we don't want to end off bad, Jay, because why? Next week, CPI, baby. And I said to the Chad we were feeling good, so who knows? Maybe we trade CPI live next week for you guys. A little CPI special. So you don't want to miss that one. But other than that, Chad, it has been myself and Jev and the team here. Lots of love. Have the best day. Have a good weekend. Guys, it's Mother's Day. Spoil your mothers. Spoil your wives if they are mothers. And again, make the most of those loved ones.
Was it a shot fired at me?
No, in general, but same to you, especially you. And we're going to see you guys on the flip side. Peace and love, baby.
Check you, Chad. Much love.
Gotta have
my